Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect JBL Tune Beam to your iPhone. If you want to connect JBL Tune Beam with iPhone, then you will need to follow some steps. First, charge your headphone. Then turn on the headphone by press and hold the power button until you see the LED indicator light turn on. Some model may have a voice prompt indicating they are powered on. Then enter pairing mode. Most JBL headphone automatically enter pairing mode when turned on by the first time or when the Bluetooth connection is clear. Then enable Bluetooth on your device in your iPhone. Go to Bluetooth setting in your iPhone, then make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then find your headphone. In the list of available devices, look for your JBL headphone. Tap on the name of the headphone to initiate the pairing. Confirm the pairing. If prompted, confirm the pairing on your device. Connected. Once paired, you should hear a confirmation sound in the headphone and the LED indicator might change to a solid color. Then test the connection. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.